Hello everyone out there and very big welcome to my. They say yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery and today is a gift, which is why we call it a present. But जहाँ पे grammar की बात आती है, yesterday that is past also plays a very important role. That is why we are going to discuss today the two forms of the past tense, simple past tense and the past continuous tense. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to discuss about the simple past tense. Past tense की सबसे basic form, that is the simple past tense, को discuss करेंगे हम पहले. Let's see what it stands for. Any action that was done in the unspecified time before now. कोई भी एक्शन जो पास्ट में किया गया है अभी इस टाइम से पहले, उसको हम पास्ट टेंस में डिनोट करते हैं, उसको पास्ट टेंस में हम एक्सप्लेन करते हैं और टाइम पीरियड इसमें अनस्पेसिफाइड होता है. इट कैन बी पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव एंड इंटेरोगेटिव और हर सेंटेंस की तरह ये पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव और इंटेरोगेटिव भी हो सकता है. सो लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स. He went to the market. He visited the Taj Mahal. The thief stole the statuette. I did not do it. Did you like it? All these sentences are in past form and they are the examples of simple past tense denoting the action that was done in the time before now, but the time period is unspecified. Let's talk about the sentence structure of the simple past tense now. कि अगर simple past tense में हमको sentence frame करना है तो वो कैसे हम frame करते हैं. First of all is the structure of the positive or the affirmative sentence. It is like this: subject plus verb's second form plus the object. जो काम कर रहा है plus verb की second form और जिस पे काम हो रहा है या जिसके बारे में काम किया जा रहा है, that is the object. Let's see some examples. He went to the school. The dog alarmed the police. The next type is the negative sentence. The structure is subject plus did plus not plus verb's first form and then the object. इसमें हम did के साथ verb की first form लगाते हैं because did is already in the past form, तो हम did के साथ verb की second form या third form use नहीं करते हैं. We never use two past forms in the single sentence. We did not go to the school. The dog did not alarm the police. Next is the interrogative type. Did plus subject plus verb's first form and the object. Did we go to school? Did the dog alarm the police? These are all the sentence structures of the positive, negative and interrogative sentences of the simple past tense. Moving on, we come to the past continuous tense. ऐसा टेंस जो है तो कंटिन्यूएशन फॉर्म में लेकिन वो पास्ट फॉर्म में कंटिन्यू हो रहा था, उसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. दैट इज द पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. एन एक्शन दैट वाज हैपनिंग इन द पास्ट टाइम गोज विदाउट सेइंग. अगर पास्ट फॉर्म की बात है तो पहले टाइम में हो रहा था, पिछले बीत चुके टाइम की बात कर रहे हैं हम किसी एक्शन की. एंड इट वॉज गोइंग ऑन व्हेन यू विटनेस्ड इट. और जब आपने देखा, जब आपकी नजर में आया, तब वो काम चल रहा था. इट वॉज गोइंग ऑन, इट वॉज कंटिन्यूइंग. It can be again positive, negative and interrogative. Let's see some examples as well now. He was going to the market when I reached. जब मैं पहुंचा तो वो मार्केट जा रहा था. They were visiting the Taj Mahal in the holidays. Were the children playing in the park? क्या बच्चे पार्क में खेल रहे थे? Next, we reach to the sentence structure of the past continuous form. Let's see the sentence structure now. First come the positive or the affirmative sentences. It is subject plus was or were plus verb's first form and ing and the object. अगर तो subject singular है तो you will be using was, अगर तो plural है then you will be using were. The child was playing football in the morning. The horses were grazing in the field. Then the negative sentence. Subject plus was or were plus not and verb's first form and ing plus the object. Positive में अगर आप not लगा देंगे it become the negative sentence. The child was not playing football in the morning. The horses were not grazing in the field. And the last one is the interrogative one. You are asking the question. So obviously helping verb was or were पहले आ जाएगा subject से plus subject plus verb's first form and ing and then the object. Let's see the examples. Was the child playing football in the morning? Were the horses grazing in the field? All these are the examples of the positive, negative and interrogative types of the sentence in the past continuous tense. That's all for today, everybody. In the next video, we will be discussing the other two types of the past form, that is the past perfect and the past perfect continuous tense. Thank you for watching today's video. Please subscribe to the channel for more updates and for getting the information time to time. Thank you.